guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Facebook. Oh. Now Saboro. I dey board now. Asa pete one. Are you that they do saga now? Yeah. At the end of the day, when they go beat Asabolo rich, nothing you go enter their account. Ha! Oh, Salobua. Oh, Asa poi. Giana valor. Let them use it to make money. Asi poi. Asi. You don't know them now. Now they are gay be that. They no girlfriend. They don't girlfriend though. They be begs. You know, say that they see begs. Whether they use another begs, they feed their children. Now they be. Goodbye. Where are you going? No, don't tell me goodbye. I don't say goodbye to anybody. Because I don't know if I will meet you next time. They say if you never reach your destination, don't be rejoiced. I see woro. You don't see they give them food chop. Broke. Oh, because I like money, but don't Coca-Cola, mona mujoki, but don't your qua, me momu Coca-Cola, okay, you say heavy. I see poi. I see poi. That's my friend. I see poi. Yeah, ya be cookie yaga. I beg go sleep. Why I sleep? I don't drink coffee. Now you know. Eh? You don't say goodbye to me. Now, I can learn to make it all 1 meal. While we coffee for no 1 meal. Okay, now that time you go enjoy them. I'm coming. We don't say goodbye. We don't say goodbye. And challenge I'll be there. Still be joy for me. We don't say goodbye. I don't say goodbye. Even just I'll be there. The farming. I pray. Because like I said, they add weight. I think they add weight. And I don't like to add weight because I dey like tiny things to wear. I like it that I add the weight. Poi. Wow. Now I walk go to me, sister. Asaboro. I walk go to manya. E bibi wove. Akileva. Lanabuwa. If I still call the name where they call Nana, they'll say, lovely, you won't start again. And at the end of the day, na 10 euro. Upon all this saga, na 10 euro. How can you do saga? Do. What I don't they do are free. If you want to call for you. Asaboro. Leave there. Oh, have a very name. Where's some Maria Gualigo? It's all Maria Gualigo. Somebody sweating. And the worst part of it, they all they make mouth. Here walk back man. This live video presenter, this adult Sabbath live video presenter, make una ask them who they don't ever help with their money. How can a beggar be una motivational speaker? Sarah, just leave me. How can a beggar be you people motivational speaker? Beg. I want to start today. Ask una money. I need money. I need to go one way. Go again in live video now. I want mumu woman for how many years? Na €10 na you see fit they get for Facebook. £10, just £10. Ni me ada leaf fruit because I like fruit well. Me ada leaf fruit, make it all the fruit now. Merona, different fruit. I will just pick them up like that. If you just carry rich, can't only fruit alone. Don't pick them, different one. Me, if I tell you say I dey buy a bag of apple for house, no. If I tell you say I dey buy only which I dey buy put for house, now orange. Bag of apple, no. If I buy bag of apple, I buy bag of orange. Before you know, orange go finish. Apple never finish. Sometimes it go come dey spoil. No children now. Sometimes the one where they eat remain, they go drop am. If they want to go eat again, they'll still carry. No. How they do? If I want buy apple, I will take two. You see, I will take two. There, you go there. You see, this one will come out of 3 children. Not be say if you don't carry one apple, money there to buy. Not be say money not there. Small people just carry one apple. If you don't chop her like this, you come through where? No. I was once like that. Now brain. Now that they use. Me and Kukuma just change the topic. Me I talk to my people when they get children. You know, when they take care of children. Then if I buy bag of apple that time, you see them, they will chop and remain, you know. I can say, okay, not be like that again. I don't feel the money, not feel the waste. Because they use and take the waste money. If I reach market now, I carry only this thing, bag of orange. Because orange, they like orange, and my children, they like orange also. If I carry bag of orange, then take apple too, take pera, pear, one. The one when I know say they sweet me well, I will take 2. All those small fruits when they sweet, not be ample. All those small one, those pera, pera. You know, I can't take her like that. Maybe before I will calculate and finish sometimes, one. Some fruit there, if you take 2, just 2, almost €1 something. One fruit will come be 70 something cents. You see, and will come be 70 something cents. One fruit. All those summer fruit. No say guys, oh, I don't just chop and finish. Wait, make I check. Oh, the seed not there. Now the seed I for take do example. Like the way when I dey chop, which day when I do video. And all those this you know say na summertime they say all those small fruit like that. 2 of that fruit, almost €1.50, €1.70, depends the way where it be. You see, I can't take 2 like that. Carry on 2. This shall often wash and put them for fridge. When I do the shopping yesterday, I buy everything, buy different fruit. All the fruit don't finish now. The 2 apple now, they fridge. Now I go bring them on and see. These people will say, this woman don't change this topic. You know, say that matter not they let me talk when they talk to my people when they take care of their children. You see, when they take care of their children. Hey, you see, the fruit when I buy yesterday, may I say I buy fruit more than that fruit they go almost €30. The fruit don't finish. See, the apple still dey. See, now two I take. These tomatoes, I dey chop am. I dey like to eat tomatoes like that. If the morning, if I just wake up, I just eat these tomatoes. I just drink glass of water. They good well. Don't say tomatoes be like this thing. You see how? See how we don't chop all the fruit finish. Chop all the fruit finish. And without those shaking, you see? With this shaking, I get the way when I take the do shopping. Put with this shaking. See how? With before, I take 4 with different. Who like to take banana, you go take, and you like to take this thing, you go take. If you buy and plate people for house, they go open one, drink and half, go through away and go carry again, drink and half. If I buy a corn, I'll say, una the kukuma, they don't know. Once it be, they see 4. They don't say na 4 first. Now it will be. This one will take you, this one will take you. Now so we take the do one. No see ya. Well, how they give all those women when they do live video money. Then I will teach you now how they take care of children. Make una they gather una money. Then what is that they do? They will stay for there. They use system. They collect money from my hand. You can see some come they say, my mama, my mommy, you be my mommy. How can a fellow woman like you, that they know mommy, when you they call somebody mommy, if you want to call somebody mommy, you know that mommy is a matured mommy. Like me now, if I want to choose mother, mommy, I go look the person when they take as a mommy. If I say that person now, person when you go talk to, you will talk to, I not go here. You don't fit take that person as a mommy. Because mommy need to do as a mommy. May it be bye. You see, oh, my brother, you don't finish the music. Hi. Music can also look better. I was saying, you see, that is it. My women when they here when get children, make una they keep money. Oh, you know, say if I come Facebook, they say see this one, that one will be lovely. No just get that one, no just get at all. If they say I don't get, I will just they dance. I just they dance. Now they say that lovely, no just get at all. I just they dance. And they like and wear. Because I don't want to make you know whether I get. If I want shoot now like this, boom. These people when you they see so most of them don't date this Facebook now. For so many years, they never get what they use live video money do. Because cost money, you don't feel use and do anything. If they go gather and finish, the next particular place where they carry and go. Now know where they carry and go now. They'll carry and go juju. They'll carry and go juju. If they not carry and go give juju, they'll carry and go give woman for Nigeria. He go say they suffer. All he made the market. He go say they suffer. Even if say you give the woman 500,000, make they start market. In 2 months time, go meet her at the same place. Now you go meet her. If I want give woman money, make it start market. As you see me so, I tell her say which business you want. Do you say I tell her say take this. Take 1,000 naira, use and find something start. Take 1,000, use and find something start. Say if I want give, person will come and say, give money, I need money. How much you want to start market? Tell me say 200,000. You get 200,000. Now you can't stay 6 days. You know market. I know they give. I will give you 10,000. If you are a woman, I give you 10,000. Not to say what that 10,000 go do. I can remember time when we were in Nigeria at that time. You'll see some women that time. They also free go market. They go buy 3 cups of fries. They go buy fish, buy tomatoes, use nylon bate, buy groundnut oil, buy a quick like that. They will reach house, ground down, fry am, sweet. Use and tell do waiting a busy. Here I call baloy. Here I baloy for them. If na trade they want put on, you go put on for trade. Wow, this before you know, you don't finish. The woman could reach you call canton. You say I just say make I try this market too. Before you know, the woman start again. Now so many people take start market when they Nigeria. Years back, go see people wey get restaurant now. They will say business, now they take start. They put tray for head. Those are people wey be say, not be person wey come sit down. Woman go come sit down for Nigeria now. Your husband go die, leave house for her. Eh? You know, say sometimes, there is some kind of poverty wey be say, that person won't stay there. There is some place where be say, go and get it. If you can be able to cross that place, you will get what you want. Now you see this document. When they can't give you document, if you can't enjoy, you they enjoy. The doctor say, go find work, go find work, go find work. That place when the person go take document, the time when that person they go take that document for that place, to go take document, it be like waiting that they call this snake that time, that one. What they call a cobra. Cobra, you get one name, go say now the area be that. Even if somebody come and say, you know they share, my dear. After you pay be finish, how much you come there with you? Kukuma, money no go fee complete. Your cousin so don't come reach Nigeria, don't come to transit. How can somebody to be going to Nigeria go transit for 5 days? 5 days transit. God forbid. In your way, but no fit. I hate risky road. Risk. You know, say that they see road when they call and this road is risk. How can somebody go travel? You go, no. They know they see am for airport. They know they see luggage when they carry go house. Nothing. Not those one, I be person. Now you go say be person motivational speaker. My sister, Asaboro, one love. Me, I be person, if they gather, if people they gather, they beat person, I don't like him. I don't like him. If he said that person, he do me something. I don't say, now it good for you. Now it good for you. Or let's say if you come insult me. If you fair insult me, I will keep on. If I did that when I'll see say that they will told you, I will come tell you, you see, that year when they tell you, you know, see, and I don't reach your tongue, go take for the distance. Everybody there, all of them are there, they do different things for there. I wish I see a Saboro picture now for put on. Who if send me a Saboro picture? Make I put on for there. Saboro not my day. At the end of the day, na hero. Ow, in there. At the end of the day, na hero, now they go get. At the end of the day, hero. When I take the select fruit, small fruit. No say when summer come. Fruit whether they see for cold, with the fruit whether they see for summer, no be the same. If you fell live for IT before, you will know say that they see summer fruit, that they see cold fruit. Most of those fruit when they chop, na IT now that they bring some they come. Because if you see the DC sometimes, the carton where they take bring and come, you go see that their flag. I say, this one, this fruit. You see, I'll come select them. If anytime when I reach market, if I want eat fruit, now so I take the select them. The day when I will go select and come now, I will put them for video. And I will see the fruit when I dey talk. I will select them 1, 2. The one when I know say I see sweet me well. I will select them 2. This one, take 2 for 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 this one. At the end of the day, only fruit. At the end of the day, the fruit will come reach 15 euro, 20 euro. Only fruit. Now one nyama person will come say na 10 euro. Now one just 4. Me. You know waiting. You know say these people. No, I'll go see my nyasho. Because as I day here, so they'll say me the same. Because be like say this trouser when I wear. Be like say whole day. No, I'll go see my pint when I wear. Yeah, I sit down wear. Book my leg. Oh no, you Monica book my leg. I like book my leg. That Monica book my leg. You know. Asaboro na your mother. The money no go reach anything. If they say sha, soyo, here they ewe. Here they go one way ni ahiamu. They will see, they be like this thing, a pian. Once fowl don't see a pian shadow, all of them. Now the one when no quick, when no they hear word. No say some far when no they hear word. Now pian they carry children. Even the children they hear word. Children they hear say, pian. Don't they shout? The shadow don't they ground. Even far when no they hear word self. Now shadow, if a pian they fly now when they carry this thing. You know say you get the way when the shadow take they pass ground. No say now some now this thing now as sun they shine now. If you dey come, the shadow you must see another one. Now it's some best far when not they hear word to know say a pian. You say a pian. If you say far, you know here. You go see the shadow. Now two way. The one will be say, here, see the shadow. Now children will come to tell mama say, cuckoo. Apia don't dare. Before mama come run, hey, make quick carry children. You go see one peek inside. Carry come out. You see these people, later now, if Asaboro now don't feel finished now, they go see find another person when they go carry. These people, they be carry and eat and drop. They know they finish you. I never see somebody one don't bully for this Facebook say, as soon as bully this person reach, this person don't enter house. You know, say when you talk say, una don't finish the person. If the person not on live video again, they'll say, oh, that saga when they do this person can disappear from Facebook. As soon as they saga the person, my sister Saburo, as they saga you change topic. No answer them. Any live video presenter where they say, Asaboro come and answer them. No answer them. Because the word when you want talk, the one use and take shine. Only the place when they get problem for Monica. That is only the place when they get problem for Monica. Not be say, this saga concern me or you know concern me. Monica na person. You know, I say they watch her when Ojo of they play the voice. Yeah, now today I can't see say, all of them not talk today. No, say if that one they play audio, you go they laugh. Today I see say we don't they listen. Don't say yeah, all of it. Now wow, I never see say you they play audio, you never talk put. So you feel keep quiet for this one. Maybe now people tell us say make it quiet. Yeah, that you know, they say, you see my breast stand well. You see my breast, it stand for you, it still gets stone. If they'll say, mommy love to show you fine. I fine now, see my hand, see I do fine well, I fine now. You go use you go talk for good 20 minutes. If you tell me say, this week when you put for her, this week fine, you say, the week fine well. The we fine, it too fine. We'll talk for 20 minutes before you go no. Kill family, close. No, not get say kill family. My love, how you doing now? Good evening, Cynthia. And not just say kill family no give her money. That one when they come talk say Kele family give no get 2 million naira. Kele family he get 2 million because, excuse me, because they live fake life. He give he no get 2 million. He give for all of it 1 million naira. I bet we know say that one a lie. He not give. Even he say Kele family want give a no get money. Even he say Kele family give a no get money. No get will come talk am. No get will say I bet no be only 50,000 naira you give me. No get go talk am. And 2 million, I'm not sure. Waiting. Now lie. No, I know they believe all those ones. You know? You see? Thank you, my love. Only waiting. Only waiting sometimes. When Monica they do when I know they like. I'd always they tell Monica say they get reserve. Monica want they get reserve. But that thing, I'm not sure say now her fault. You know say that they see people like that. Monica supposed to they get reserve. You know, if somebody offend you, say you with this person are they the same place. If you won't talk, just throw away and come on for there. Not just open the novel. You just start for page 1. Can't reach page 150. There is a, say, if Monica, they talk sometimes, Monica, I don't ever tell you, I'd always tell you, Monica, you get what you they do when I know they like. If you with person, they quarrel, where the red ball like you to the Boston, you to the or bust this thing. Where they takere, where we mute, okay, where I don't tell, where you tell you for if you just want to take me, they speak this thing, English. How they miss and speak Ishan, speak Benin, speak English so that it go dey sweet, If you just use one, take talk, it get as it they be. You suffer they talk small. You just talk everything. Even if you with Asaboro, okay, for example, say, Asaboro call you. Okay, Asaboro no one call you. Okay, Asaboro, if you call a video, okay, Asaboro, as you no one call me now, or my kind man. Finish. You not just provoke like that. No, even if say, you get Asaboro for mind before, say you never saga Asaboro before, say you want saga Asaboro. You do the saga people before, Monica. I always tell you. I tell you that I say you do they release your weapon. Who are you powerful a weapon yakwa? Are you powerful a weapon kwa? Have your okay. You see that day now when I come out, come bulala the day na winch. And then I wish come they run pardon. They say when you come out for video, one woman call me say he say mama say the gesture when you prepare come give it the day na winch he ain't taran. He say saga when those people even they use and do since all this day. He say no enter the day body like that. He said the one when I give I say when the day come out I come they red. If you want to deal with somebody, not just use audio weapon no, they take out the command. He go down, say a good fighter, they fight finish one day. I call fighter when I dey Nigeria, if I get problem with person, if some see me, they will want say, they want dodge. Me myself, I will waka. Say some people they say, I know your fee for this person matter. Me with you go the quarrel now. If we they come, they must pass me because they know say that matter no go bring am. My fight, and they keep fight to another day. I not just they fight and finish. The day when you no expect. Now that will just go, okay. I say for how many months you see carry the matter? My matter not they finish, oh. Like, say river, no they ever finish. If you see say I come sometimes because they make buru, you don't see say my river, don't see send me message. Good evening to my personal person. The problem when Monica gets, Monica, you know it, no matter how. You see, them see no say this one was my friend before. This one, they support me before. This one, they do this thing before. This one, they do this thing before. Wait till you go tell no. You don't see that maduma when they Belgium, when they call her Mary Dose. Sometimes I know they offend that girl. She will just come and she will just insult me. But don't be say I no fit sit down, just Mary Dose, do saga. Mary Dose no say if I want fitaran, Igi hahan. Mary Dose they fear my saga. Because me, I know say Mary Dose, otanota egba. You know many times, you go come, you say, that one went there, this thing, you go come, insult me, go here, I'll just look at sometimes. Sometimes if they insult me, I will do a platform. I'll say, this one, Chris, don't start again. The way when you take the do and sometimes, Monica, they good. I did your way, I don't understand. If you like, you have anger. Where they are winning, if Monica don't they do this thing, she will come get one voice. The voice will come be like, say, it gets something where people say, if they voulot this something they come for a belly, it will come be like, say, no, where they okay, like, for example, these people want they call her, mommy. The two of them get issue. Most two people bring this issue of social media. At the same time, these women, they will still have time to day where on a day. I don't understand these women. How can people when be say you are the one giving these people money and you are the one still they bow down for these people? Why? Good evening. Somebody that you people are giving money to, like all those live video presenters, why they go near. At the end of the day, how can a beggar be go they bow down for the person when they give? How can a beggar be because they bow down? These women, when they give them money, they're supposed to have the respect to themselves. At the end of the day, they'll come the disgrace to. Wait till they never see where they want bring come out. Pata they'll say you do adulteress for husband house. You do this one. You do this one. Just let these people go. My battery done weak. This is my phone self. I also go carry another phone now. Yeah. If you don't go robot more, baby. This my light wey dey this thing. I don't know wetin dey worry this my light. See as it comes small finish. I don't understand. They don't understand. But I'm not they see my face small. You read music you are. I they come. They know I always they tell you, Monica, you today ugbole kwagbe, Emma video. You know good. Even this just little thing, you never reach anything. Worry. I see a lot of I see the video, but I didn't watch you. I didn't watch you. Where I found that video, when I can't see her, I see her for John Lovett platform. You know, where I see the video, when I see John Lovett, they play the video. I just stay for them now because the list is small. I can say, yeah, today. Wait till made this one on the top for video when they talk today, because if they play video, they always they top put, they laugh put, they you know. This phone. You know the way when I tell they do something, you do the coaching. Who is this? Oh, my brother, I'll call you. I don't feel call on just now. You know? Okay, let's say for example, now they'll say Monica, Asaboro, quarter come for 2 of them. Monica, let's say it now. Sometimes, we make you know say yes back. I don't tell you say Monica, where is that total live video nowhere? You they sit down sometimes, watch your live video. You see they watch out. If you they watch your live video, you yourself go see many mistakes when you they do. But people not go tell you. You go say, I know say that time when I first started that time when I come out, when I tell you say I go bring 17 kids. Now waiting I see for your body. What by work kwafo. The time when the table can't turn, people, all of them come attack you. Why they attack you? Because now you where we for. If Lolo see, Lolo go talk and small, he go leave the rest. Where we for now make everybody come descend on you. I can't tell you say, I said tell you, even you can't even talk out. That time say, lovely go me go in my lovely talk to me, lovely talk to me, I know yeah. I can't tell say that woman, they fight me, you know, say natural, they tell her that time. You know? Somebody will just call you now, say, you'll be live video presenter. Somebody can tell you, say, go use this, it do live. No be everything. You say no. Even if say this person won't give you money, there's some things when be say, money no even worth and save to collect. Money no worth and you say, I will give you money. They say, no. No, say, they say, the English people say, respect is a reciprocal. All of them now, when they come and come, they insult Asaboro. Which Asaboro go do for where Monica dey. All of them don't first go where Monica dey. Then you when you go where Monica dey. Why you dey talk say Asaboro? What you go do for where Monica dey? Are you guys crazy? Who not they motivate? How not they brainwash? Who are you people brainwashing? Who are you people brainwashing? Una don't fair go where Monica dey. Then tomorrow they will say Asaboro, if you don't feel come to this thing. Like Ojo Lovett, you Ojo Lovett, the time when you the saga Monica for this Facebook. The time when they saga Monica. Me with Monica do saga. Monica no. If Monica not throw away video, I know they consider tell Monica. I know waiting how it they play that year. I don't understand. Now, all of them now they say, Asaboro, come out, come fight. Come out, come fight. Asaboro, wait till you go do for where Monica day. All of you now, una don't go there. Yes, when table change, all of you now go there. Una go there. Then, I don't understand. Una will come here, una will fight. Una will go there, una will fight. Una will go there, una will fight. Una will go there, una will fight. Sometimes they also say, lovely, remember you, your disgrace will still come out from Facebook. My disgrace cannot come out on this Facebook. Because why? I don't know now. And I guess sense pass una. How my disgrace want to come out? Who I want they follow, they say, nyaga, 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 nyaga. Even if say any live video presenter, when you go talk, say with lovely, they talk. Even if say the live video presenter will come play the conversation when me with and they talk. If I dey even they talk to the person, say I want to person matter, they insult am. Good evening, sir. I want Titi. All of una just come out, just they do live video. Come be like say as una they do Asaboro live video say na today na our mother hoa. People are used to you people. Nothing when una never talk for this Facebook when una go talk when ear go tango. It not there. It not there. It not there. Yeah, they say Asaboro, what you go do for where Monica day? Asaboro, what you go do for where Monica day? Una no fair go there. I mean, na this na one this egu na how igio yi ikmeji ebuji I say this thing when they arrange this thing put nyam you will arrange if you want arrange nyam put for this thing now the same way they take they arrange red nyam for to line am this thing. Now so they take they arrange white yam. Now so they see they arrange over here. They must see get the way when they see they arrange over even if say they over here round. Well, often they say, wait till you go asoro, wait till you go do for where Monica day, wait till you go do for where Monica day. All of una fair day, una no fair day where Monica day. No be last year, no be most of una they come out for there. No be last year, most of una they come out for there. Most of them are common for there last year. Only the problem they have with Monica, you can make friends with somebody, you can have problem with that person. Only the problem I have with her, where igbole kwa fo, or ifo, or ifo ne, the waiting on other people content they do live video, or we can't do akberini. Now you can't play that time. And the one when you dare your hand to take fight, or you just carry bullet gun. The bullet, the 15 bullet or the 25 bullet when they inside your gun, while you back to filet ye ho. You people should not be saying that Asaboro, what you go do for there? Facebook now playground. You can play go anywhere. You can play in any place. For Facebook, Facebook is a market square, now Facebook be. You can price for everybody platform. As far as say the platform there, you can price for there. Now so it be a Facebook uje. A Facebook, even if say or say you know say this person not good, you will still go there because they know soon I not get respect again. Now be this Facebook one useless woman to say now 10 euro, now 10 euro. Now you see for my head. Now you see for Kate's head. Now you see for Sister Rosemary head. Now you see for Dove West head. 10 euro. Is saga for force 10 euro. Hey. How is that not done that? If I'm not even complete. If I'm not complete. If I'm not, how is that not done these 3 women that day now? If I'm not complete. As I want to do what he regularly bear, for ya call the red. He got John Rosemary now. He got John Rosemary. Now I want John before. You expect say who I want John before? Now Rosemary I go fake John. Yes, now Rosemary I go John. Why not John Rosemary saga you? As everybody don't talk for the matter finish. Now you can't, you know what make the matter go. The woman when people when use and take do live video, they don't talk finish. Everybody don't talk finish. She see they raise the matter when be say they don't use and take do live video free. They don't finish. The way when Sister Rosemary take the saga you now so it take saga the rest people when they take and do life. Victor, the day when he with Victor Dayline, Sister Rosemary did there. Sister Rosemary they talk of Victor today. Mama Lawa, you not talk to Mama Lawa. Mama Lawa, Rosemary say they talk to Mama Lawa today. Why can't be say your because why? The matter finish, you will go so long a con. So that ni are. Who they tell me yesterday? He say when Monica do live video, say with Asaboro that they quarrel. And I was say me, I know they follow, I know they too much get their time like that, you know. I got to say they quarrel, got to say that they quarrel. Now they got to say this that useless witch call in. Now the person got to say, see as Asaboro now with Monica now get crash now, she just quickly call in. Now got to say she always they like where women, all those young women, they fight. Okay, this woman say she don't old, she be old woman. Well, I don't ever see say they'll say, this matter can't reach for Facebook. Now this woman, now he can't settle us. Now this woman can't settle us. You know they. Asaboro kan, Asaboro go, Asaboro kan, Asaboro go, Asaboro kan, Asaboro go. When they say Asaboro no marry. Why when time go come, she go marry. Yeah, Shanta, Asaboro, wait till you go do for where Monica dey. Una not go where Monica did last year. Who asked una? As Monica, una come dey fight. Who asked una? Ale maye perekpe. Oh, I don't beat me oh. Now our brother thought so. He said, person where they Josh matter. I boy. You see, huh? Now that is the problem. Okay, as Monica, my phone not good now. I will say my phone good now. I for enter that live video. The place when I will bring command for Monica. Only that one, I'll just tell Monica. Monica, where you sometimes, you go talk. At the end of the day, all the word when you talk, people will just know the direction where they go. Now you go explain now. Now you go tell people say, see why you they fight. You know, say there is some things like wait they made this person they fight. Yeah, choy. Now you go set exam. Now you will still give the answer when the person go see take pass your exam. The one we come talk, it can't be like say as Asaboro they collect, you don't like her. It can't be like Asaboro they collect. Even if Asaboro papa die or mama die. They are so rest in perfect peace. Somebody decide to buy cow for a goat, bag of rice, anything. Yes, some people need not be only Facebook that they help. Even some people that time, if they want bury their people for us, if friends go gather money, give and say, take buy cow. Some people will say, this is burial when you do. Now people just buy cow for them. Huh? See now, Monica now, he give all of them topic. Now Monica, I first tell now that they say, now Monica, now they carry otete, they give on a topic. Good evening, how you dey? I first talk and say, now Monica, ya tete mure. Since all these days now when Monica not do live video, since all these days when they go they repair house, when you not do live video, none of them get topic. Any topic. None of them, if they enter Facebook, nobody they. If I read, I'll say topic not day today. Who they, whether not yesterday. Now me with person they talk. Now the person who the now the person got to say the saga where they come for this summer. Now cause say how you tell no be like say now the same spirit will they use. He said the saga will soon scatter. Now I tell the person say, you see this, it's all these days now. They know they see view again. They want bring saga. And the saga, my spirit come they tell me say the saga they come from Monica side. And true. Now Monica side now the saga for come. Now Monica now they bring a product for now. Once Monica don't just carry the product come, carry and put for ground, bada. Why do adele? Wadelo ya wadelo. Shi. Why all here no nuwa? To penny. I cannot know what for why total you live video. Wa go. I felt talk cannot be last. I felt talk and say if Monica no carry matter control, we give una. Una no they see talk. Mona look and see so these days now. When Monica no they do saga, topic no they Facebook. Again, you're not here. I cause say everywhere cool down. And I say, why this Facebook can't cool like this? People they tell me say, Mama come out oh, since when you enter house, Facebook. The nothing there go. Mama come out oh, when you enter house, Facebook nothing there again. I say, okay, I will come out. As I come out now, market start to they say, hey, when me while you wait for now. Why when ya me wa ho the honor wa gele Monica carry ateterije cut all of the proof atete carry on Facebook con split am for everywhere una don dey buy am. She went to now tell asoro we una never tell women for Facebook before. Wait to now want tell her. Wait to now want tell asoro na they call her be wait till now want tell that woman when we be say we never hear for this Facebook before. All of them they say asoro where you go where Monica dey. Asoro where you go where Monica dey. Una no fair go where Monica dey. Hypocrite people. Waman can say ke de Monica je. Hypocrite people. Waman can say va. Now, as he come Asoro now, as he come reach Asoro body now, all of them they say, Asoro, wait, no, wafio there. O de nu wafia, nu waya ye ke de Monica, yo de ni Asoro we lele. The road that you people, the path that you people cut, that is the same path Asoro follow to see Monica. The path wanna take see Monica, now Asoro see Monica, mona enter house. My sister, so if you enter Facebook, put powder for neck as they do and you they laugh. Because Otaniata, lie ho. Otaniata lie ho, you see woman I go come out. You can say, Asoro, that time, one man fuck you, one man not fuck you. You call that not fuck you. Iya ma ugwe. Okay, if you not be Asoro friend, you know they follow Asoro, you know they do what Asoro they do. How you continue to say man fucker? If I friend this one, if I friend that one, if I you call, you be sent. If they say I will say that they see test out now, make the contest test una toto. No be only una husband penis see the enter una toto. Come reach to them, no come test am. Now don't test here. Sister Asoro yare test her na ya test e ya ni awe ya ro wodo e kia we ware mi na fie nya wa ho another e kia go dey blink no come test am na I we una we dey say Asoro go marry I don't marry Asoro go marry I don't marry I ware test her yo una see say no be only una husband prick the enter una win they go use 5 euro even ni made the Basoro bugwa. When you watch Asoro don't work for ye, Asoro don't work for ye, Asoro don't work for ye, Asoro don't work for ye. They can win now winner. If they all use this it flash una like this, I want ye 20 euro you're flashing ya. The next thing I will change because they carry liability husband put for house. When you are with liability husband, anybody when flash money for you like this, you go follow on. No, go breed tester now. Sister Asoro, I beg, go breed tester. Now you are testing avien. Ki anogo di onpa lao. Ki anogo du wakpa la wahe. What's ye ni? A ogu wai so na we gen you no gu wa wia. Uhe ne kyokpa lai owe wia. Wa na why? Baze asorobo. Na van gbeva na ku gbevo no wa. Na wa no wa bona hoki za wa no. Hey monatas. Now me want the shit self. You people, you are a disgrace to Benin. All these Benin women when they disgrace themselves for Facebook. You people are disgrace to Benin. The second one are no Bishan. That one is a disgrace to where for come. Huh? I said, yeah, you go wait to go do for Monica place. I said, wait to go do for Monica place. I said, wait, some people can they carry. I said, can't go. They go meet Monica. I said, na this thing I be. Mommy, what do you have there? Carry you with bar. Let me see.
I have a lot for you.
You have a lot for me.
Yeah.
That's my daughter. You see that fruit I'm buying? I'll be very like a tall. That small one. I wanted to go today. I just do something for her. Finish. Do this. Sweet again. What's this? Cashew. Okay. This peanut, that one when say he do saga. They pay and saga for this. This peanuts in almost 6 euro for markets. When they pay you, when you use me to do saga, they give you Facebook will give you 10 euro. This peanut now 6 euro for market. Go and check it.
Oh, but mom, come on. My salary is a lot.
That's not well. No, not cut off for you. You don't say your English, man. Not gonna use a go finish it real.
You can't compete when you can't compare.
Yeah. I talked there. I said, you know how much my daughter receive a month? My daughter receive more than 3,000 euro. Now, one wish come they fly, they come they pêche me. I don't want you to talk, please. If camera come to call,
Only?
God, no. Go. This Valenciaga. Go and bring another one. Go and bring the second Valenciaga. May I put that? They will see your face, so. I don't know why they shout. This is your Valenciaga.
Only this one is 700.
Okay. The one of 900 euro, 950 is upstairs.
And this one I really want is 300.
300. Give me that 300 now.
I'm gonna give you almost like 850 on your birthday.
So. You see, my birthday money, it don't dey azar.
Last year I gave you 750, something like that. This year we're going, you know.
My birthday money, I'm going to take off from children. More than they shout. More than tell my children, say make it go there. Well, more than teach my children how they take they work, how they take they start life. Una carry na children put for inside house. Now children they go they follow na they turn nyama food na they cook. When salt no day, when pepper no day. You my children, you don't go sit them for house. If they come from school, they from school go work. Me, if you don't they reach the time where they call small, I will suffer stay. I'll they wait. They'll call the entire house small. Oh, now some I go do now. When time go reach now people will use chat and sit down for Facebook. Subscribe, give me style. Subscribe, give me style. Most of their children they say house for there. Their children don't reach to work. They carry their children put for there. Huh? We with their children that they drag money. Look, this is my personal person. With their children, they drag yama money. The money that they give my daughter, since 2000, since when my daughter complete 14 years, now my daughter say, "Mommy, take it." If they come, they say, "Lovely, you not get money. Lovely, you not get money. Lovely, you not get money." When my daughter did 14 years, it's not ready to work. That money, you say, "Mommy, no, take it." You say, "Mommy, take it." What the ready, every summer, my pikin must give me money to buy this thing, my birthday gift. He must give. You are going upstairs. Do you have all that thing? Yeah, man, teach my children. Well, these people went their Facebook. No, see, my pikin not there America. Oh. Now hold on here. I have my pikin there. If my pikin speak English, you think say na Canada or na America they go school. Even London here, now they go school. Most of them, their children. Now London their children, their English, they scatter person here. This light, it don't off. I don't understand this glove. All the time, I tell this. I bet me check on. He off, I be waiting. It don't low. You see, huh? More than stay. Don't wait when you know for our children don't reach 14, reach 15 years now. More than put them for inside house. Make una hear say somebody day video. Your pikin will come and say, Mommy, Monica never enter video. 15 years when supposed to go to work for supermarket. 16 years when most of those women, their children don't reach 16, 17, 18. They'll say, Mommy, Monica never enter live video. Mommy, this thing. Una go dey motivate. I don't know the motivational speaker when una say it dey motivate una. Una go dey listen to useless thing. Una children go say they listen to useless thing. Eh? When I did there. Like that witch when he miss road. They say you don't know how you want to fly. If you fly. Where is Zobofu? Now there is the land. Once you don't land for where is Zobofu, you go chop his Zobo for there. Zobo when the rest they chop, they throw away for ground. You go chop up. Mommy, you are going up. Stay for there. This my birthday this year. My money na 850. If I want to go use and buy gold put for neck, una will escort me go there. Stay there. Ambitiently. Go carry your children come. No. Your daughter come. No. Go carry your grandchildren come. No. You reach where children, women there. You just scatter them. You don't agree leave the place. You don't agree come out. You there, you just scatter all of them. All of them, they say, I said did this one. I said did this one. Una say una dey una husband house now. If they carry tester come, now you test to what vien. Before the tester go even see your husband, oh, the tester go say, how many weeks your husband penis never there. Before you go see and they will come say, make the redo and before they go see and you go take. Now will come see they come they talk to Asoro. Wa ya wa mla mina. Awa gbiwe ke ya. Awa gbiwe. Awe ni ado hwe. We Facebook. You see, these people, they are very local. Sometimes if these people are doing something, I will say, why? These people, when on Facebook, now they come bath. Facebook, now me, they always they talk at that time. So I say, lovely, see you. You why not the dress come Facebook? Now they say, me, I not the dress come Facebook. Now outside, now the dress go. If I want to go outside, see me for outside. You know how many people when they wash me? If I reach supermarket shop for Africa shop sometimes. Me I will so or goni akanya me I say now one of the BDs when they use fake account they insult me because you know say some go insult you. If they can't see you for grand, for their mind say, and I mean they insult the woman, they'll call the shame. So when you know they insult you, if they know they quit no meal, you get one. Me with understand if they buy whether they sell fish, if they buy fish and they buy fish. That mean with the person come they talk. The people when they do this, I call laugh. He say, hey, he say, Mama love now say, he say, he say, he come they look, say, this one resemble Mama Lovely. This one resemble Mama Lovely. If you see me for outside, you not gonna know me, oh. If you see me for outside, you not gonna know me lie. You not gonna know me. Now, person when they carry in my die, now you go know me. You know why some people not think they know me for outside? Yeah, where that woman when they do live video, not they wear clothes. They will say, I not they wear clothes. They will say, the same way when I did the dress come live video, now that same way, now they will take see me for grand. But they don't know, say, no, not that way. Now will take go Amsterdam. You can never see me for Amsterdam, say, I go dirty. Me as Amsterdam, women like me, they look me, not be by mouth. All eyes go there my body. We are not like Facebook who don't wear. Most of you now come back for Facebook. Most of you now come change chairs for Facebook. Most of you now come change one room one a day for Facebook. Most of you now come change ukoni for Facebook. Most of you now come change children bed for Facebook. One live video present a day. Or I get going and I get a salon. Oh, yeah. Now ordinary grand, now children they sleep that time. Una where me all those are when they come for Facebook come bath. You know how the Facebook don't wear. Come up better check not they inside their room. They'll say this is full cover. The full cover when I carry, before I buy this one 4 years ago, that full cover, is 1,600, whether not 1,600 euro. Now that this will be 1,600 euro, something like that. They can't sell them for me 1,004. Now this thing, gallery chair. Now gallery, if you just check the wood one day, they'll write gallery put. Gallery. Now some can go they buy bed. The bed when they use, that bed when they use, now 750 euro bed. When the day sat down my room, so 750 euro. Now gallery and bed. This dining table where they my this is so now gallery dining table. Now they hear the shots. Now three for my house now 3 times. Now don't change wardrobe when they put clothes. You know children now. This one open now, that one open now, this one open now, that one open now. Before you know, you make wakarara. And the third one now they buy so. Since when I did this house, when my children can't grow rich like this. Now there you'll see most of their children. Me now, waiting I want to do for this house now. I want to change the door. You know, say children now. Maybe now children go they do that thing when I wait. I want to talk now. Now children they do one. They will carry their hand, put for this thing. They go hang themselves. Another pikin go, another of his brother or come his sister go. They do the door like this. Before you know the door done. I think that they do one. They'll say, come, I do jagolova. That's all my children they do the door. Now door I want change now. Why is a Facebook who adore where I need canary hoji? Once they enter market, they go second hand. No, say if you reach second hand, there is some clothes when they sell, where they carry come for shop, when you don't spend 3 years, they'll come carry and come. No, say for shop now, clothes for some country, clothes when they sell last 2 years. Last year they go bring and come out. This year, before they want to enter summer, they'll still bring and come out, sell them. If they shop, go before they come say for shop, say they don't carry like 2 times come out for like 2 years. If they say they're not buying the remaining one, they'll go back and for second hand. Now second hand, now those people go they buy clothes. My personal person, then the tire person. You cannot see all this live video presenter where they wear clothes, new model. You know, they I don't see new model. I don't know where can you not do more. You cannot see model clothes for their body. The clothes they see for their body, me my can you like me now, and all your clothes when they wear, even if say me and they like that white one when I take dance, and they like clothes like that. I can't wear tight put. For summer, you get one short knicker. If I all wear short knicker, I just wear slippers. When I look all those live video presenter, me they know they see new model, they know they see new collection, new collection for clothes. They know they see. If I say no, I go bring clothes, come me, I they buy clothes. I know they wear. Me, I know how if you when you talk about clothes, about things, about shoes. If now shoe, I want to start to they buy. And now I can just buy shoe for 6 months. If now so shoe, I will they buy. If now cloth, I want just start to they buy. Now so cloth. Now go they buy. If I say make I they do video every day by day with new clothes, I go fit the days I have. So when I even carry last year, there is you got some clothes when I carry last year where I can say I go buy them for summer. Did you know that I don't wear them for summer? You see, when you go ask them, the people that you now say that they motivate you now, they are very local. They are very local. They're too local. Motivational speaker. When you see their outing, even me when you no dress, if I come out, when you see my view, people will say, this woman, or my pada yo, or my you won't buy if I can't wear clothes, you know, you not feel dress rich like me. You cannot see don't see new collection for these people body. I whoop money idea your life Facebook when new collection. The clothes when they carry, they come. Most of people, for Europe, that they like to dress come out. When you see some dressing, you say, wow. You can never see. Even in cotton, you know, go see better sweater, gum for their body. No. Now they say, asoro, go ye, asoro go ye, asoro go ye, asoro go marry, asaboro go ye, asaboro go marry, asaboro go marry. Una when even marry, say una don't know how to take care of una children. Una when get children, you people cannot take care of you guys' children. You cannot see those children see better clothes for their leg, see better marker cloth for the marker cloth for their body. See better shoe for their leg. You go see they. Or more lajan, more ye maku. You people, you don't have time for your children. And you want no multi. Now because say Facebook, I don't want make they'll say, I don't your mo, don't blog a picture no go more. If I carry my children, say we go sit down, should not see my children and say, wow, this woman and you try. They give me kudos. Because I don't think my children come Facebook who I want to show. I will have been when I'm in Ghana. Now I can show say no, I can see my children. Now my boy, if you see my boy be like a America guy. My boy, if you see my boy, you're saying America, neither for Bona. These people that cannot take care of their self. When you see my boy dress come out. All from the beginning to the end. Now Nike. This thing when you go use the tracks. This thing when you go use the trainer when you go use. Now from his shoulder, from his neck reach ground. Now this thing na Nike. The t-shirt when you go there inside na Nike. If you see my boy, people will say, lovely, we don't know your children. My pikin go even pass you, sir. You don't go know whether my pikin I pass you. You get one shop when I enter for me with my daughter. We can't go somewhere. My second daughter, we can't go somewhere. As we come, they come. I come tell and say, "Me go. I don't get rice for house. Me just carry rice, carry semo. Because now small one I can't remain. Me with I enter shop." The woman will get it. She'll say, now your daughter be this. I say, yeah. He say, which one for inside? I said, now the last boy be this one, the second, my second daughter. I say, He said, now don't be rich like this. I said, yes. He said, because he no know. And he said, yes, now my daughter. He said, which one? The senior one be the second one. I said, the second one I be this one. I said, wow. Where is me more? Nothing. You see that if you see her when they do, for my daughter. My second daughter don't like anything. Can they comb wig? Not too day wig with wig like that. If you see wig hair for ground, you know they like her. I go do this thing for all those Bob Marley now when they rain. When they say the dance will be like say na net. If I do it for my daughter, you go come jail her. If you see my second daughter, you go, if I dig, I go draw her. You go long, reach in yash. Something go there on top of, if you pass waist, you go there on top of this. I will put colored inside. If you do one line, if not red, you want to tell me, sir, this one will be red. The second one will be red. The third one will be red. Then the rest, it will be black. Any color when you want, you use. You know, say the style when they rain, and they'll put color inside. Now, so that they train children. When una children big. Una will plant Bob Marley for una children head. Una children will be like children when they carry come for inside village. And all of it come they show my children. If not, now for say, mama, who they do this hair? Now me they do hair for my daughter because he don't like wig. That Bob Marley, if you just do one, you go just long. You go come coil the under. You go come fine. Why ba review wa so on ni ma bia na on my bia na so na fair use yore te chateau yore my bia yore my bia yore nya Why you going when you go say you just not go chest to what say you no born. Then no be your again na asaboro never born. Una when don't born. If you when una go the plateau na pikin hair, the stick, the way they look like. You guys na no learn. While with your more ye paka. These people they don't know how to plait hair. They can't even take their children to salon. Carry your pikin go salon, go plait better hair. So they boast for Facebook, I get money. Now say I get money. Yeah, I get money. Where I rich. If you want to plait me, I know how to now arrive from Nigeria. Now plait hair come. This with everything by hair. If you see my Bob Marley, if I do my Bob Marley, do this thing for you, Bob Marley, the stick, it go neat. You know, they tight. You will see some now. You go see their children, Bob Marley stick, it go tight. They know they lose hand. Now plant the plant and they go like this. What dog bello Romono Seva, right ya Georgia. More they laugh woman say woman no get picking. The day where that woman will start to be born on, I will see picking. Children go fine. We will see some now they get how can a mother when get 2 girls, 3 girls, 4 girls, can't plait their hair. The children can't grow reach 15 years. The same hair won't they plait when they small picking when make go. Now see the same hair 15 years. The say go hair. Oh, in a hurry. Won't even get 1 day safe. 1 day to even carry on a picking sit down. Do na picking hair. Who echo affian line to line by line. You affian didn't affian a line. Who echo dinner you so fit the cotton like this small. You say go fine. Yeah, what dinner was so waiting only one when you go before. From here near Wakewana was say ya mukba. Ya Wakewani say ya mukba. Do this one again ya mukba. Only from here reach here. From here reach here. You use and take do 4. Some people they even use and take do 6. They'll start for here. From here cut. From here can reach here. This one now go be 6 stick. From here now reach here go be 6 stick. You go fine. They don't take care of their children. They go they shout wah. If you see some cool food, their food no they don't. If I know wale ega, your bore bie. Because wamami obo no waya take care of una children. And the mothers when they pack children put for inside house, their children they do nyaka. If you are here, your pikin don't reach 14, 15. Find nearby supermarket. Children they work. Every country children they work. Once your children reach 14, 15 years, you will fit go they work for about time. Supermarket, any supermarket, you go to work for there. If you come for school, you go there, go work. If not see 3 hours, you go work and go come house. Thank you, my personal person, Omo. You will carry your children. Not be saying that they inside house. Well, sorry, 15 years old picking now with mama, they go so nyaka for inside house. My second daughter, she quick come for school because during exam now, night that day, he quick come for school. As he come, that time me I relax. He come for school, he lie down. He quick and sleep like 1 hour. As he relax finish, he don't go work. But before you know now, remain small now, he go enter house. Remain small now, he go enter house. That my daughter, now so shoe. Now they buy. So shoe. He get one particular shoe. Any model when come out for that shoe, you must buy it. That my second daughter, 400 euro, 3 something days I'll take buy shoe. If he buy shoe this month, next month, he must to buy shoe. More now sit down for inside there. We are Miesonia. If their children come to waka, they'll come to look Oyibo leg. Do not say some black women They carry their children, they waka, they go. Their children go, they look oyibo leg. Their children go, they look oyibo leg. The shoe, their children, that is the shoe when they want. They don't feel motivated. You that cannot motivate your children. How can you motivate people? How not they motivate people? May I call this one? I want read Toto there. Me I check on. You don't reach 1 hour and I'll come back again.